everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Demedia, your host. In this channel, I will be sharing with you stocks and strategies that will help get me to my next $1 million. To me, investment is finding the next superstar and holding on to it for the long haul. If you like what you hear, then help me beat the evil YouTube algorithm by smashing all the YouTube buttons together, or simply hit like and commenting below. If you are ready to invest, consider using the 2 links in the description box to start an account with Webull and earn free stocks. With Webull, you get 4 free stocks and you can trade before and after hours. Okay, let's dig in for the next superstar. Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well this week. Today I'm going to do an update on a company that I introduced to you guys about a month ago. If you've noticed that all of my picks have a certain quality of disruption to them, because I think that when it comes to investment, you want to invest in a company where they have no competitors. This company, TRXC, definitely is one of those companies. For that reason, it's gone up at least 3 times or so since I introduced to you guys. Again, TRXC, Transenterix. Today it closed at $6.32. When I introduced it to you guys about a month ago, it was trading around $1.50, $1.30 or so. So I guess it would have been more than 3 times up. But why is it that I'm telling you now when it's gone up so much? Like I've mentioned before, this is a disruptive stock. It's a stock that has no competitor. So the sky is the limit for this one. For those who've missed my first video, which you can watch later, so Transenterix is a medical device company that is digitizing the interface between the surgeon and the patient to improve minimally invasive surgery. It's a robotic technology that does surgery. And why did it go up 40% today? It says that the shares popped 40% today in trading because in anticipation of the company's investor day later this month. I think it's going to be on February 23rd. The company said that it will provide updates on its flagship Senhance surgical system. So this is their signature product, as well as corporate strategy and market opportunity at this February 23rd event, on my birthday actually. Senhance is the first and only digital laparoscopy platform on the market. And so that was one of the reasons why I introduced this company to you guys a month ago, because it was one of a kind, just like Viper. So they're aiming to increase clinical insight and decrease inefficiencies and variability. And TRXC stock was trading higher last month as well. The company has since been selling common stocks in large deals, selling 25 million shares at a price of $1.25 on January 14 via registered direct offering. You know, what generally happens is that when a company does direct offering, their share prices goes down. But for TRXC, it went up. So it only talks about the high potential of this company. Well, I hope that the information that I provided is helpful, and congratulates to everyone who bought into this company and who've been holding on to this company since my introduction. Please consider give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and let me know if you've bought into the company and you still have shares in this company. Good night, everyone. Take care.